Hi, and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to make a difference. And we're coming live through COVID-19. You might wonder why I have so many people in the audience behind me, just because I'm missing the stage and getting some energy going. But I have a great guest for you today, and she's going to let you know who she is and what she does to make a difference in the world.
Hey, Kath Molloy, it is such a pleasure to be here with you today. Virtually, well, we can't be together in person. My name is Anna Osherov and I am an eventologist. I am an event marketing expert and I work with visionary leaders to take them from unknown to industry influencers through the power of live events. And how do I make a difference? Well, you see, I work with visionary leaders who want to make a difference in the world of others, people that want to be seen and heard and make an impact. And I support them by helping them create their platform to speak from and make that difference. So it's a ripple effect. I support those that support others, and together we make an even bigger difference.
Wow, I love that. So you support those that want to make a difference, and the ripple effect just keeps continuing.
That's right. Did you know that for every life that you touch and make better, they touch another 7 lives for the better?
Oh, wow, that's fantastic. Anna, thank you so much for sharing with us today. And just before you go, if anyone wants to create that ripple effect with you, how do they get in contact with you?
Thanks for asking, Kath. The best place to find me is at annaosherov.com, or Google my name and connect with me through social media.
Now, because your surname is such an easy name to Google, would you like to just spell that out?
I'd love to. It's Osherov for Victor.
Fantastic. So once again, thank you so much for being here. Really excited to be able to share that and to keep creating a ripple effect to make a difference. Why not on a Monday? Speak soon.